Hello, my name is Amanda and I'm from Sydney. I am currently in my final year at Curtin University, where I've been studying a Bachelor of Commerce majoring in business law. I chose this degree as professionally I'm a company secretary and compliance manager in a law firm, so I wanted to complete a diploma that would develop my knowledge and theory in the field that I work in. The purpose of this presentation today is to reflect upon my time at university, to reflect on and consider my past and future employment prospects, and to consider how the skills and tools that I've learned at university can be applied to meet my future and personal professional goals. This was the first time that I had used the employability tool. When I completed a profile in week 1, I could see that my strengths rested with occupational literacy, emotional literacy, and personal and critical literacy. I think this was an accurate reflection of where I am as a person in both my private and professional life. In particular, I think that I'm an empathetic person and that I'm self-aware, which allows me to recognise my feelings and the feelings of others in certain situations. I'm also someone who enjoys learning and constantly thinking about different career pathways, so I think that the results that I received were reflective of that. Whilst my literacy with respect to ethical, cultural and social seemed moderate, it was clear from the graph that areas for improvement rested with basic and rhetorical literacy. I think that the topics in Enhancing Your Business Mind unit really developed my skill in these areas, because when I completed the self-assessment in week 12, my confidence in basic literacy and rhetorical literacy had grown significantly. I think this was because in class we had worked through so many exercises that required good communication, teamwork, and decision-making skills. I think this tool is very effective because it increases your self-awareness across multiple literacies and provides you with knowledge on how your skills and attributes can be used to attain both your career and personal goals. I thought that Enhancing Your Business Mind was an interesting and interactive unit that I really enjoyed participating in. Looking back on this unit, I can see that each topic that we covered was carefully selected to prepare students for life after university. I particularly found the elevator pitches an interesting topic, as I'd never heard of this concept before. This will be a tool that I use in the future, as it has taught me how to engage my target audience in a concise way so that I can sell and market my ideas to others. This unit also taught me that agility, teamwork, and leadership are fundamental to the success of a business. I found the weekly exercises relating these topics really interesting because each week we had to collaborate and find ways of successfully working with each other so that we could achieve the desired outcomes. Whilst I found some weeks more challenging than others, for example, working in larger groups or where we had technical issues, overall, these exercises reinforced to me the importance of communication and finding a way to work as a team. This unit also taught me that at times I will likely find myself in a position where my ethical and moral standards will conflict with the sustainability of the business that I'm working for. This is not something that I've thought about a lot before, so for me, this topic reinforced that I should think through all options and consequences before I make a decision. I started my university journey 5 years ago, and to be honest, I've enjoyed every moment of it. I completed my degree part-time, which gave me the flexibility to complete my degree but to still be able to meet my personal and work commitments. For most part, I completed a unit each semester, and although sometimes I wish I had completed more units in each semester so that I could finish my degree earlier, I'm glad I didn't, because I don't think I would have enjoyed each subject as much as I have. The major in my degree is business law, so I've really enjoyed completing the legal subjects, but what I found surprising was how much I also enjoyed the subjects that related to accounting, as well as units where I had to be creative. For example, in the marketing unit, I had to design and sell a product, which I absolutely love to do. As I'm an Open University student, most of my interactions with tutors and students were through email or discussion boards, and it wasn't until the Enhancing Your Business Mind unit that I was really able to collaborate with others and engage with a unit tutor. I think that this was one downside of completing my university degree online as to in campus, because it was more difficult to establish friendships and network with other students. Given the new COVID-19 environment, hopefully the way that online classes are going forward will be that so students can be more collaborative with other students and also with their tutors. My time at university has definitely made me feel confident and has given me a thirst to study further. Once I finish my degree, I'm looking at doing a compliance degree at the Governance Institute, and I'm also considering completing a doctorate at law. The main reason that I completed my degree was to enhance my technical knowledge in governance so that I could continue to develop my career. In fact, I have already been applying knowledge that I've learnt so far. For example, the accounting units I completed has developed my knowledge and understanding of the requirements surrounding financial reporting obligations for companies. Once I've completed my degree, I plan to undertake a graduate diploma in corporate governance. I believe this will provide me with many opportunities and career pathways. For example, this would give me the opportunity to work in governance teams in listed companies and will also provide me with an opportunity to develop networks within the governance industry. I would ultimately like to own my own business and become a governance consultant, so I intend to continue my studies to facilitate this. Something that I would like to tell my future self is having the confidence to go after what you want both personally and professionally. Prior to starting university, I never had that confidence to undertake study for fear of failure. Whilst I've learned at university that all you can do is try your best, and through discipline and hard work you can achieve whatever it is that you would like to achieve. My time at university has also taught me to do something that you are passionate about. In both my studies and career, I've been fortunate enough to meet amazing managers and mentors who have really helped me develop my skills and given me tools to succeed in life. So I hope that in 5 years' time, I'm able to provide the same guidance and experience to others by taking on leadership and management roles as my career progresses. Overall, university has been a positive experience for me. I think that university has not only provided me with technical knowledge for me to succeed in my chosen industry, but it has also provided me with tools in relation to reflection, critical thinking, and being open to opportunities when your pathways in life change. University has also taught me the importance of learning and setting goals so that you can continue to grow and learn both in a professional and personal capacity. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.